Hello. Well, this is microscopic video. I'm trying to show you elaters. Elaters is a thing which is present between spores of some spore plants. For example, these liverworts. Liverworts, as you probably know, will distribute themselves with umbrellas. So you see that umbrella, which starting to open the sporangia. So that green umbrella is bearing sporic generation of this plant. So each of this brownish thing is a own plant of its own, with diploid number of chromosomes like humans are. Whereas the mole plant, so actual green one, has only single number of chromosomes. So these small greenish plants will produce even smaller brownish plants which are only adapted to open sporangia and distribute spores. But spores are very dense. So how they make them while going away from the plant? Special cells, elaters, are available between spores, and right now you can see that sporangium is open and something brownish like a bit cotton-like is present between spores. So these are elaters, which making spore going away a bit faster, otherwise they might stuck here because this is a very wet day in a valley north of Kyoto. Today is May 15. So you can see how elaters, small cells between spores, are working and make spores kind of disseminate from the liverwort small sporophytic plants, which in turn are located on these interesting umbrellas, which are holding that, well, sporic generation of liverwort. Again, middle of May, north of Kyoto. Thank you.